Third world countries have been exploited for their richness in raw materials through biopiracy, where patents are used to claim a part of nature. In biopiracy, patents are placed on plants and animals by scientists who use these organisms for different purposes, such as medicine and health products. Indigenous people have knowledge that is passed down from generation to generation. This knowledge is then shared to corporations and scientists who take advantage by patenting this knowledge and calling it their own. The issue that arises from these patents is that the third world countries and their people are not compensated for their knowledge and resources. An active pursuer in the justice of this exploitation is Vandana Shiva, who wrote about her homeland of India in her book, Biopiracy, the Plunder of Nature and Knowledge. In India, the neem tree is used for several purposes such as toothpaste and pesticide by Indians. Despite being a common household item for Indians, it was never actually patented by the people. The lack of official patenting opened the door for other countries to claim rights to use the neem tree for their own products. This in turn took away the right of Indians to use neem freely since patents require payment to the owner if the product is used. The patent on the neem tree greatly affected Indians by making them pay for something that they used to get for free. This upset the people and activists like Vandana Shiva, who fought against the patents which were later repealed for the neem tree. Another third world country that has been exploited by biopiracy is Kenya, where a bacterial strain was found off the coast of Lake Ruhr. The bacterial strain is used in Bayer's Glucovay, which is a medication for type 2 diabetes. Bayer made millions off of this medication, while the majority of Kenya's population struggles to feed their people. However, Kenya has not made an effort to battle their rights to the bacterial strain. A country that has made an effort to control biopiracy is Brazil. Brazil is home to the Amazon forest that is rich in animals, plants, and different organisms. Many of these organisms are used in science for medical advancement. However, Brazil has established levies and penalties for any use of organisms that come from the Amazon forest. This discourages any stealing of organisms native to the Amazon forest and any further exploitation of endangered species. However, these barriers may come to a cost to the human population. Much of this exploitation has been useful for medical advancements, but it also leaves third world countries in their poor state. Thus, the issue of benefits for the human population arises. Should we continue to exploit the third world resources and knowledge to possibly find cures to diseases such as cancer, or should we stop the biopiracy and save nature and knowledge that belongs to the third world countries? It is difficult to determine which result benefits the human population, since both issues are of great importance. Thus, biopiracy can hinder medical advancements for the welfare of the human population, but at the expense of third world countries struggling to survive.